Hello, my friends. Want to add data to your SmartSaaS data model? It's quick and flexible. Go to Data, select your data model, then press Add Item in the context panel. Just fill out the form and hit Submit. On mobile, you can also open your data model, tap the camera icon, and scan business cards or documents. The details are instantly imported into your data folder. All changes sync across devices, so your model stays up to date. Notifications keep you informed, and approval settings give you control over critical edits. With SmartSaaS, adding data is effortless, helping you build stronger models that power your CRM campaigns and workflows. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more SmartSaaS tutorials. Check out my video on sharing forms with clients to capture information directly, and explore my other videos on creating campaigns and automating your workflows. Bye now, my friends. Have a lovely and productive day.